An American film production facility called Tyler Perry Movie Town is located in Atlanta, Georgia. Tyler Perry, an actor, director, and playwright, started it in 2006. The biggest film production facility in the country is Tyler Perry Studios. Perry was the first African American to own a significant film production company directly. It makes sense that the 330-acre facility is known as Tyler Perry Movie Town. 2019 saw Perry's new Atlanta Studios grand opening. In order to house the Tyler Perry Studios in a new location, he purchased the former Fort McPherson complex in 2015. Through 34th Street Films, a branch of Tyler Perry Studios that produces films, Perry directs the work of other filmmakers. 2018 saw Perry sell his 2008 founded previous studio to another minority-owned movie production company. The previous study site has 200,000 square feet of furnishings and office space spread throughout two historic Delta Airline structures in southwest Atlanta's Greenbrier neighborhood. The studios previously occupied the former studio at 99 Krog Street in Inman Park on the Beltline in central Atlanta before relocating to its initial home in southwest Atlanta in 2008. For a total of $7 million, Perry paid for the site belonging to Atlanta Stage Works in 2006. Later, the studios evolved into Krog Street Market. 2019 saw the official relocation of Tyler Perry Studios to the southwest Atlanta site. The studio has permanent decorations on it and is an amazing 50,000 square feet in size. A White House replica, a 16,000 square foot home, a mock-up of a budget hotel, a trailer park set, and a 1950s themed diner that was moved from rural Georgia to Fort Mac are also included. And a parking lot is separated from a vast piece of land by a green fence. There are 12 houses in the residential neighborhood's cul-de-sac, many of which have fully furnished and decorated interiors rather than merely facades. 12 sound stages there are also named after highly regarded African Americans in the entertainment business. The Tyler Perry Studios are a fantastic asset for the resilient economy of Atlanta. At its site in southwest Atlanta, the business routinely posts job ads for crew and film employment. 330 acres of the former U.S. military base Fort McPherson were purchased by movie mogul and prominent real estate developer Tyler Perry for $30 million roughly 4 years ago. That is roughly the combined size of Grant and Piedmont parks. Now, everything you need to produce movies of any type is available at Tyler Perry's enormous film studio in southwest Atlanta. Celebrities, regional executives, and other business leaders attended Perry's recent grand opening event for the studio, which has been operational in some capacity for a number of years. The property has advanced considerably, and Perry had a lot to say, according to the Atlanta Journal-Constitution. It comes as no surprise that Perry has built a dozen mammoth sound stages that Hollywood studios may rent out to shoot movies. However, Tyler Perry Studios provides a lot more. The BET program The Oval was produced using a duplicate of the White House. Tyler Perry Movie Town can accommodate all of these sequences, whether you need to film a medical emergency, a prison riot, an aircraft disaster, or whatever antics occur in a trailer park. The studio also features a mock jumbo airplane, airport terminal, and even a suburban neighborhood. Other locations include backlots that might be used for scenes from metropolitan Europe and a half-mile, 6-lane motorway that Perry is developing for chases and drag racing. However, not all of these 300-plus hectares are utilized for filming. Perry also thinks that in the future, he might establish a center on-site to assist those who have been the victims of human trafficking. The construction of a 3,000-seat theater that can host important events like concerts is also on the schedule. According to the newspaper, Perry wants to relocate a few eateries and shops to underdeveloped areas that might attract weekend visitors. What would happen to the 145 acres of Fort McPherson that Perry does not control is still a mystery. Project administrators are hopeful that a freshly reorganized development team will restart the potentially $760 million makeover.